Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Our next prompt framework that's really effective for daily use is chain of thought prompting. So let's check it out. This framework is a great technique to guide ChatGPT to explain its answers in a step-by-step format. This is really cool because you get to see its reasoning process. So this technique helps to ensure that the model's answers are transparent and easy to understand from you, the user, and it's great for making explanations that are expanded upon and more useful for educational and explanation purposes. So rather than explain this anymore, let's just go into the formula and the example. So our formula is actually very simple for this one. We have whatever your question is, and then the prompt that you always want to use is let's think step by step. So let's see what ChatGPT does. So we have our first example. What is the diameter of the sun? And I want to put this in without our prompting framework. So it says exactly what the answer is to our question. The diameter of the sun is approximately 1.39 million kilometers, aka, this is a big number, 864,938 miles. Now, if we were to do the same exact prompt, but I do our chain of thought framework, which is very simple for this case. Let's think step by step. Let's go ahead and submit this. And we're gonna actually see the thought process that ChatGPT or a person would go through to actually get the answer to this question. So here we go. Let's break down the process of determining the diameter of the sun. Step one, you understand what we mean by the diameter of the sun. The diameter of an object is the distance between 2 points on its surface, passing through its center. In the case of the sun, its diameter is the distance between 2 points on its surface passing through the sun's center. So it's talking about, from the basic level of the explanation, what the diameter is for an object, what the diameter is for the sun, and then the next step. Step two, find the most accurate measurement of the diameter of the sun. And it goes into how it came up with that, or how one would go through that process. According to NASA, the most accurate measurement of the diameter of the sun is approximately, boom, our number. And then we want to understand the units of measurement. It's important to understand the units of measurement used when discussing the diameter of the sun. Kilometers and miles both specify the length. And then we go into step four, convert the diameter to units of measurement as an optional step. So now let's look at our second example and see what else we find out. So we have, what is the weight of an oxygen molecule? Okay, so we have our answer here, which is the weight is approximately 32 atomic mass units. Now, if I was a person interested in this topic and I wanted to understand the logical step-by-step process of how a person comes to that specific answer, we would use our formula. So let's go ahead and let's think step by step. And here we have the logical steps to arrive at that answer. Step one, identify the chemical formula of an oxygen molecule, explains what that is. Then we want to determine the atomic mass. Then we want to calculate the weight of an oxygen molecule, and then convert that atomic mass units to grams as an optional step. And we can really see how an expert would go through and get the answer. And you can see what's under the hood and expand simple, straightforward answers into more detailed breakdowns.
For watching the video till the end, please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video.